Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today I will be reading a poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard, author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. His work can be found at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Masterpiece in Imperfection. Your environment doesn't create your future, but your reaction defines everything. You mold your present and future with your persistent thoughts, words, and actions. Just like a beautiful flower can bloom in a garden of weeds, you too can bloom exactly where you stand. Therefore, create a masterpiece in the midst of imperfection and contrast. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. I believe this poem completely. I believe that if you can keep positive, keep that negativity away, you can have everything you want and desire. I believe you have to be persistent sometimes. And sometimes when you figure out that you have to be persistent, you're in the midst of something you really dislike. But stay on the path. Keep believing. You'll come through. You will. It's the way it is. Follow love, like I always say. If you follow love, that's what's going to come back to you. And that's what you're going to create. If you put out love, that's what's going to create, I believe. It's all in your mind. Whatever you believe is going to come true. I believe that. I love this poem. Thanks again, Danny G. Amazing. And thank you, everybody, for subscribing and always listening. On behalf of Mystical Minds, we really appreciate it, and we really thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you so much, and have a beautiful day.